welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. I hope you're all doing great. If it's your first time here, I make videos like this 3 times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me. In today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, we are doing another ZARA haul. I know how much you guys love the ZARA hauls, so today's ZARA haul is going to be about basics. So all your basic pieces, and we're going to try them on, unbox and review. Let's unbox everything first. I'm going to give you my first impressions of everything and then we'll go try them on. So first up are these denim jeans. These are the white straight leg denim white jeans. So the last time in my previous video, if you haven't seen it already, in my denim try on haul, I basically tried different variants of ZARA jeans and I absolutely loved it. So I purchased another one in white and it's in a size 34. I love how soft this denim feels. It's got like a bit of a rip or raw edge at the bottom. These are high-rise jeans and they're ankle length. So with the jeans, I think I'm going to try it on with this knit top. Beautiful beige color, so soft, feels so nice. It's definitely really stretchy. And this is in a size small. The material feels really good. The straps are not adjustable, so hopefully it's not too long on the shoulders for me. Right, let's try these on first. Here it is. I am so obsessed with this knit. I feel like it's so soft and comfy. It doesn't scratch me at all. And this color, this beige color, I love. It's kind of afraid that the straps are not adjustable, so it might actually be a little too long on the shoulders, but it seems to fit fine. I think it's super duper cute. I love this. Alright, so moving on to the denim jeans that I paired it with. As I was putting them on, I realized the front is actually buttons and not the regular button zipper, which I hate in jeans. So that's probably the only thing I dislike about it, because it's just so inconvenient when the whole thing is just buttons. Other than that, the waist fits perfectly, the length is amazing, the quality and just the feel is just so soft, and I actually feel really tall in these jeans even though I'm not tall at all. Don't know if I gained a bit of weight from quarantine or not, but basically there's not that much room to give. Yeah, I really like these jeans. It turns like a casual denim sort of look to a more going out look if you just put it with a pair of heels. I mean, it reminds me of culottes for some reason, maybe because of how wide the leg is. I think white jeans always makes me feel a little bit more dressed up than blue denim. So let's do like a little squat. Quite comfy. Next up, I've purchased this beautiful olive green khaki crop top. So this is the long sleeve. Material is so soft, and it feels kind of like gym wear. This is in a size small. I believe it didn't come in extra small, but I am loving this olive khaki sort of color. And then we've got these white pair of shorts. I think these are denim shorts. Really thick material. It's got these little folding patterns on the front. So these are in a size extra small, but they kind of look quite large. It's a little stretchy, it gives a bit of weight. Let's try these on. How cute is this top? I love it. I love the color. I'm so obsessed with this color. These actually came, I think, in 3 other colors. These came with biker shorts. I was so sad because the biker shorts for this color wasn't actually available. It was sold out, so I had to just get the top. But I'm so glad I did, because this is really comfortable and it's super duper stretchy. Honestly, this feels like gym tights. So if you can imagine gym tights on your body, it's not too restrictive. The neckline, I was afraid it might be too low, but it's fine. This sizing is perfect. Even the sleeves are not too long on me either. If they had more colors, I'd probably get more, because this is just like a staple long sleeve crop that you need in your wardrobe. Alright, onto the shorts. It was in a size extra small, but I thought the bottoms would be too loose. Now that I put it on, the bottoms kind of look like it's meant to be loose, so it kind of flares out a little bit. And I think it's really cute like this. It's not super duper heavy, and I feel like it gives you a bit of a support around the belly area. And I actually really like this pleat detail, or this dart detail that they called it down the front. think it looks really different. It makes it sort of look like dress shorts, even though they're not dress shorts, they're like denim. Love these two basics. I have nothing bad to say about these either. I'm just super happy that these fit me snugly. Like the top fits me like a glove and the bottoms just fit me around the waist. It is a little tiny bit loose around the waist, but that's expected. It's quite comfy. I'm happy where it's at. Next up, I have purchased these two shoulder pad t-shirts. I've been waiting so long for Zara to restock these t-shirts and they didn't. So this time it came with the elastic thing at the bottom, whereas the ones that I was waiting for was just regular t-shirts. I just really like the shape of them. So they've got shoulder pads on the shoulders. It's just really soft and squishy. Basically, it gives you a bit of a structured look for the t-shirts. But anyway, I'm really excited to try this. I got this in a size small. And I also got a black one of the exact same thing. I really like the design of this skirt. It's got the pleated details at the front. It's definitely not stretchy at all. This is in a size extra small, but I am in love with this color. It's so pretty. I love this acid light wash color, and I think the shape of it is just so nice. I can't wait to try this. Cute. This is actually a skort, not a skirt. The front looks like a skirt and it's actually a pair of shorts. But what I liked about this one is that it had this asymmetrical sort of look. So it's uneven at the front, and this is in a size extra small. So this is kind of like a washed out dark black denim. It's not completely black. Let's go try these on. The shoulder pad t-shirts I am literally obsessed with. I love it. I love this look. It gives you kind of like a well put together structured look rather than your normal casual t-shirt. Love this. I love this. I don't feel like I need the other t-shirt anymore because this one is just amazing. I am so happy with this t-shirt. It's so comfortable too. Like, it's really soft. It's probably made of cotton. I might actually get a few more before it sells out. But I love the shoulder pads here. Okay, so onto the denim skirt, the blue denim skirt. Love this skirt. It's like the perfect fitting. I love this color. I love this whole outfit actually. The top bit here fits exactly on me. So if I wanted it a little bit looser, I'd probably have to pull it up a bit. But other than that, the length is perfect. It's like a mini skirt, so it's above my knee. It's got a tiny bit of room at the bottom too, so it doesn't feel like it's gripping onto your body during summer. Definitely gives you a bit of air to breathe down there. I like the pleated detail here, kind of makes it look more drawn in. I know some denim skirts that I have, when they're not fitting properly at the top, it actually moves around, and sometimes I'm walking and like my skirt is back to front, but with this it stays put and it doesn't even move at all. It's literally the perfect fit. I love this outfit. So onto the white shirt. This is the exact same shirt with the shoulder pads, exact same size. I just thought I definitely needed a white version of this and I love it. Black skort, casual but super cute, really flattering and so practical. It's pretty much a flap at the front to make it look like a skirt. I love the asymmetrical detail, and then once you lift that up, it's actually shorts at the bottom, so you don't even have to worry about the wind blowing it or falling over. You're pretty much wearing shorts. I think it looks so cute with boots, sneakers, heels, anything you like. So easy to dress up and so comfortable. The waist fits perfectly as well, and I think the length is just amazing. I love how the asymmetrical flap on the front actually gives it a bit more length, sort of adds a little nice touch to it. Really cute skort. Last piece of basic clothing. Okay, this is like a sweater dress. So this is in a size small. Basically the top is like a sweater. Feels like a really soft sweater, by the way. And then it's got the elastic from the skirt area. Started to try this. Let's do it. Top top bit is so comfortable, it just feels like a sweater. And then you've got the bottom half of it which looks like a skirt. So with these, it's so simple. You can pair it with a pair of boots for going out, heels, sneakers for that casual look. It's just super duper versatile. And the sleeves, perfect length. And it kind of puffs out here, so it gives you a bit of extra room if you do want to layer up in the colder weathers. So I think this is pretty cute, but I definitely prefer a different color if it came in different colors, because I think black's just a bit, I don't know, boring in this look. You can't really tell that it is a dress. Okay, so that's the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it as always. Please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite for these basic. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. For the algorithm, obviously for myself, I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe if you do want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now, take care.